Hello everyone, this is Lugard Digital. Today I actually want to talk about metaverse. And I know that metaverse is not a new concept to some set of people who are already into blockchain, cryptocurrency, NFTs, and all that. And if you are joining this channel for the very first time, you can also learn from this. And if you are not into crypto, you can begin your journey. You are not late in crypto space. The population of the world uh, is so much huge that we have even not even having up to billion who are into crypto space. It means that cryptocurrency could still be seen to be new because uh, the comparison of the world population to those who are in crypto space. Now let's get started, as I'm going to briefly be explaining to you about the concept of metaverse, and also be introducing you to a metaverse project and how you can immensely uh, actually benefit from this project. Some of you might have heard about the project. Even merely seeing my screen, you might have come across it, and you might have even be part of the participants, or perhaps you have been into it and you don't understand how it works. This video is going to give a brief and a succinct explanation on and more about what this is into and the benefit of participating. Now let's get down to business, as I'm going to be explaining into two. Please, if this is your first time of coming across this channel or this video, kindly subscribe to this channel if you find this helpful and of value. Kindly subscribe, share with your friends, like the video so that it can go viral for others to see. Also share with your people, and by the end of the video I'm going to drop the link to register, or I'm going to drop the registration link below so that you can also participate in this project. It's a promise and ever promising project. Don't afford to miss it. Please, and make sure you watch this video to the end. Alright, let me start by trying to explain the concept of metaverse. The first thing you have to understand about metaverse project is that metaverse is still new in crypto space. From the onset, we have a blockchain industry, blockchain technology, in which I can say that the way people know Bitcoin, which happens to be the first cryptocurrency in the world, is even more than the way people understand and know blockchain. A lot of people don't even understand how blockchain works. Talk of getting to know what blockchain can be used for, and multifunctionality of blockchain. That's why cryptocurrency being said to be built on blockchain network are not being seen to be the only thing that blockchain actually accommodates. We can use blockchain in the field of finance, agriculture, education, and other areas. But now, having understood, having come across the blockchain technology, cryptocurrencies are built on blockchain technology, and also the first cryptocurrency is being said to be Bitcoin. After that, we can see that there are more let me say more innovative work, that is people getting to develop, seeing that some other things can be built on blockchain network, that is NFT mean non-fungible token. Also, we now see the advent of metaverse. But one thing I want you to know or understand is that the way metaverse is going to change the way people perceive the internet. Metaverse is going to change the way people perceive the internet, as we are seeing with what is actually going on in blockchain technology. Right now, today's video is not to explain about blockchain, neither is it to explain about crypto or NFT, but today is just to talk about metaverse and to actually educate my community about what metaverse is a bit, in alignment to explanation of this metaverse project. What is metaverse, and what is it all about? Metaverse is just being seen to be a virtual space reality. A virtual space reality that is actually being designed for a digital experience as an alternative to the real world. Metaverse can be seen to be a virtual reality or virtual world, just like we have the physical world. And here it is being seen as an internet generated environment for people to also perform or do the same thing that you can do in the normal world or the physical world. And we can see it as a virtual land. A virtual land, just like we have in the normal real world. In the normal real world, we have land, physical land, as physical asset. People do several things on the physical land. They can build house, they can build several things on the land. Same here, the concept of metaverse as well is also to show that we can have a virtual reality space where people can relate, where people can build land, where people can do, they can walk, they can do several things as in within this virtual environment. And this is the era, or this is the trend where internet is going into. If you don't key into it, you are going to miss in this kind of thing like this. Now we can see Facebook itself having Meta, changing to Meta. It means you can see what Mark Zuckerberg is trying to incorporate with the concept of metaverse. We see metaverse project is still new in blockchain industry. It's like 1 year or 2 years now that the concept began rather. Now, having explained the metaverse, we have several things that can be done on metaverse. Having explained or having known a short brief of what metaverse is all about, here I'm going to be using this project to explain fully in metaverse. And also, before I continue, within this metaverse we can have there is a relationship between metaverse and NFT, because most of the assets on metaverse are being issued with NFT, that's non-fungible token, and which serve as the cash, which serve like an asset on this metaverse. And also we also have a metaverse cryptocurrency as well. Just let me continue using this platform to explain better. Here we have an OVERLINE network. OVERLINE network here is a metaverse platform. Here, what do you need to do? Here we can see that here in OVERLINE network is just also a metaverse platform. And also, what do you need to benefit and get on this platform? Here in this OVERLINE network, we have what we call Oland and what we call router, Ocash-Otreat-Ofriend, and all those concepts. If you are into this already, you would have known what I'm trying to say or what I'm talking about here. And we can see when you get registered on this metaverse platform, you'll be given Oland. This is like a plot of land. This is a plot of land, and which actually has its representation on this platform. Here, as you can see on the website below, here what do you need? What is Oland? We can see what Oland is. Oland itself on this OVERLINE WIRELESS METAVERSE is being seen to be a digital collectible real estate that correlates to wireless and land rights in the real world, forming the first ever wireless metaverse. We can see that it's just like a land in the real life or physical environment. Oland is also representing a land within this metaverse, this OVERLINE wireless metaverse. And we have this also, the teleporter, which is at the center of every Oland and is being seen as a mysterious teleporter able to move your digital collectible across chains. And also this as well. But this is not where I'm going. But before I proceed, you have to understand what Oland does. What does Oland do? Oland provides daily crypto rewards, a companion PFP, OVERLINE wireless, digital collectible, transportation, and more. Your Oland represents 1.67 acres per Oland. Very soon you are going to know the what or the cost to own Oland. But the case is that to get an Oland currently, you don't need to pay. It's free. It's free. That's why you need to get registered to start building your land, and then to bring more value to your land, which can soon be converted to cryptocurrency. But here with the frequent asked questions, I'm going to use these frequent asked questions to explain about this OVERLINE network, OVERLINE wireless metaverse, before I log into my account and show you some things and how to get your whole land, and also how to get Ocash, Ocash and also Otreat. Here, what is Oland? Oland is a digital collectible that represents 1.67 acres of land in the real world. It means that when you have an Oland, you have 1.6 acre. Your whole land, one Oland represents 1.67 acres of land in the real world. In these metaverse, this OVERLINE metaverse, OVERLINE wireless metaverse, you get. And then what is OVERLINE? What is OVERLINE itself? Because I've been making mentioning of OVERLINE wireless metaverse. OVERLINE is a people-owned decentralized wireless network that does to telecommunication what Bitcoin did to banking. Every one of us know what Bitcoin did to banking, in such a way that we move from traditional banking to online banking, that is cryptocurrency, by making transaction and making easy payments online through cryptocurrency, in which you don't need to only rely on your traditional banking system. We can make transaction online with cryptocurrency such as Bitcoin as well. And this same thing OVERLINE is trying to do, is going to do as well. Is going to do as well, doing this same to internet. How does Oland fit into OVERLINE's network? That is the relationship and the correlation. Oland represents a form of ownership in OVERLINE wireless network. That is, your Oland, which is 1.67 acre, which represents 1.67 acres of land in OVERLINE wireless metaverse. It represents a form of ownership in this OVERLINE's wireless network. Oland owners receive crypto reward from wireless activity that passes through the operator devices that operate within their 1.6 acres plot of land. It means when you have an Oland, through Ocash, you get Otreat to place on your Oland, and from it brings value to your Oland. It brings value to your Oland. The Ofriend come to visit, they bring value to your Oland, which soon, as a form of NFT, can be minted very soon. This project is still new. That's why you need to key into this project. Get what I'm trying to say right. Oland, You know, I said it before that Oland represents 1.67 acres of land as a real, just like a real land in the physical world. It represents 1.67 acres of land on metaverse, on overline metaverse, and it is like a representation of ownership on Overline's wireless network. Your Oland owners, you as an owner of Oland, you receive, what you receive is crypto rewards. By the time value is being placed on your Oland through Ocash, Ocash will be given to you at the happy hour on Tuesday and on Friday at a specific time. I'm going to explain that further. By the time value is being placed on your land, that this is where this project is actually going. That your reward is still going to be in crypto. You mint the NFT and you'll be rewarded in crypto. But the fact is that the question is that, do I have to pay for Oland? No. They are giving it for you for free until the minting date. That is why you need to quickly get this thing right now. They are giving you Oland, and you can get as much as possible on your Oland by sharing your link with your friends to get registered, for you to acquire more land until the minting date. They will stop giving out Oland. Please get as much as Oland you can get. So when we say we are building a wireless network owned by the people, we mean it. Just enter your email and that is it. What do you need to participate in this platform? You only need your email. Just put your email and register. Share your link to your friends to also put their email to get registered. The more friends you share your links to, the more Oland you get. And I will show you the number of Oland I have and also what is going on my Oland, on my land. Just keep on and then keep watching. How much crypto will my Oland plot generate? How much crypto will my Oland plot generate? It depends on the location of your land. Your location matters. The more wireless activity that occurs on your plot, the more mining rewards it will get. Like all things within the Overline ecosystem, Oland plot rewards can also be boosted using EMB emblems. These emblems is still going to be explained later. Also, the more activities, wireless activities that occurs on your plot determines and also your location determines your earning in crypto on this. And this project is something that they are still building more benefits. It's a great project. A lot of people, we have up to millions of people on this project now. That's why you need to key into it now. Where is my Oland located? Oland location will be randomly assigned when the review countdown displayed. In your Oland account portal ends, keep an eye on it. You may get lucky. Your Oland location, it is something that will run. Don't forget that we sell that in terms of crypto, that how much crypto that your Oland will generate you. We talk about the fact that your location matters and the activity, wireless activities on your land. Here, where is your land located? Where is my Oland located? How do you get to know where your Oland is located? Your Oland location is something that will randomly be assigned when the review countdown display. That is, by the time you place you buy Ocash, you place Otreat on your Oland. By the time your land is being reviewed, the location will randomly be assigned on your land, on your portal. I will show my portal. You will see what I'm saying. Also, the next thing is that, can I own more than one land? Yes. You can own multiple plots of lands. To get more, log into your account portal, copy your referral link, share with your friend, let them sign up. You can get as many people that sign up with your link, as many Oland you can get. Keep on doing that. And we have categories of Oland. We have Genesis, we have Gen 2, we have Gen 3. Now they are going to Gen 4. What else can I do with Oland? Think of Oland like a new form of account. Rather than having boring user portal, Oland will provide a fun graphic interface where the user can walk around and explore the account. Users can also broadcast messages to people in their Oland. These are what you're going to do. What these are you can do with your OLand. You can broadcast messages to people, teleport the digital collectibles that they own between their blockchain network. You can store things, you can track their crypto rewards, and much more benefits will be unfolded on this online overline metaverse. Now I'm going to log in into my account and I will show you what this is all about. To get started, just click on sign in. To get started rather, what you have to do is that I will drop my link here, the link here. Just put your email and get OLand. When you use my link, if you use my link that I will drop here, and you sign, you just open the website, put your email, your valid email, click here. When you click to sign in, then verify your email. You'll be given OLand, and then to get more, share your link with your friends. Now let me now sign into my account to show you this. You click on sign in. When you click on sign in, it will open for me to put my email, and then I will log in. It will open like this, take me to my portal, and I will click on take me to my portal. This is my portal. Here you can see that here my whole land. I have 61 plots. I have 61 plots of land, and inside it is 101.87 acres. Here, this is my account. You can see on my account I have Gen 3. This is the current one given. We have Gen 3 OLand. We have Gen 2. This is Gen 2, and we have Genesis. Genesis is the first one being issued. Genesis is the first one being issued. Genesis is the first one being issued. I am its network. I will show you my listing. Alright, let me just refresh my page so that you see for yourself. Yeah, and also before the page is refreshed, you can see here that this is Ocash, this is Otreat, and we can have upgrade land. The main thing you have to understand is that when you have OLand, once you have OLand, the first thing you need to do is that look for every possibility to get more OLand. Because the more OLand you have, will determine the Otreat you are going to place on your OLand in order to be and that will help you to attract more O-friends. When O-friend come to your OLand through Otreat, it will help you to get value, or it will give value to your OLand. It will give value to your OLand by the time it is being revealed. And the value varies. Means we have what we call the concept of Ocash, Otreat, Ofriend. What does it mean? Ocash, please get it right. Ocash is like a cryptocurrency of OVERLINE metaverse. And very soon, Ocash is going to be issued as a crypto. They are building their blockchain currently. By the time they are done, they will let you know. Just like you would have Bitcoin, Ocash is going to be the crypto asset of this OVERLINE metaverse. And this Ocash currently, one Otreat is 10 Ocash. I will show you. Okay, let me show you. Let me click on get Ocash. Can you see here? If I click on 10 Ocash, what does it cost to get 10 Ocash? It costs $6. Can you see? Your 10 Ocash worth $6.24. And even the price has increased. Before, it wasn't up to this. And this Ocash can be given to you every day. When you log into your account every day, they will give you one Ocash. But during the happy hour, you will be given 6 Ocash during happy hour. If you log in during happy hour, when is happy hour? Happy hour is usually on Tuesday, around 2 to 3 p.m. in Nigeria, but in Eastern time is around Eastern time. I think it is around. Sorry, I may not be able to calculate. If you are not in Nigeria, you can check 2 to 3 p.m. or sometimes it might be above 3 p.m. maybe 3:30 after 3. You get, check that time. Check that range of time in your country time to know the time you are meant to log in. When you log in this time on Tuesday, you'll be given 6 Ocash. I've claimed today being Tuesday. That's why my Ocash is being added to be 17. Also on what's it called? Also on Friday in Nigerian time it falls to Saturday. That is around 2 to 3 a.m. 2 to 3 a.m. If you log in this time as well, you'll be given 6 Ocash. And you can join the Twitter space on this website, your account, or follow them on Twitter. You also get more information. And also you can join my group, my WhatsApp group or Telegram group. Yeah, join my WhatsApp group for more information on that. And depending on, irrespective of your country, join my WhatsApp group for more information on that. Having seen that, now that is Ocash. Otreat. What is Otreat? Otreat are this thing you are seeing. You can see. This is, I have this Otreat. I have this Otreat. I have this Otreat. I have not got this. I have not got this. I have not got this. When you get this Otreat, Otreat is what you. It's just like this. This product is like a product that you. This one is caramel. This one is honey. This one is lime. There is like a product that you place on your own land in order to bring to attract friends to your land, and this friend is what will give your whole land a value that by the time during the minting period, by the time you mint this your whole land in form of NFT, it will give value in crypto as a crypto reward that you can withdraw to your wallet or to your wallet and sell your NFT. And then the more your NFT Oland becomes more value. Oland is just like NFT that you need to claim, get more, and you place more value on it to get more reward. Now, having explained this, what do you need to do? When you get Ocash, you can buy. There are two ways to buy Ocash. Either you buy by using crypto to buy for yourself, or you log in every day to get one, and also during this time of happy hours I mentioned, Tuesday and Friday, you get 60 of it. When you get Ocash, the next thing you need to do is to use your Ocash to purchase Otreat. Now I have 17 Ocash. This is how to purchase it. Just click on claim Otreat. Now you can see I have 17 Ocash. One Otreat is 10 Ocash rather is one Otreat. 10 Ocash is one Otreat. Now I can pick one. You can see 99 point this, or I can buy Ocash. I have enough. Let me continue. Let me confirm it. Let me now return to my land. Can you see? Congratulations, I've got. Let me return to my land. Let me now refresh. When I refresh, you will see it. Mind it is, I have 3 here. It will tell me the number of this thing I have. Take me to my portal. It's still loading. It has been deducted. It has been added to 4. Can you see 1, 2, and there is 2 on this one, making 4. I've got it. The next thing I need to do is to upgrade my land. Means we use Otreat to upgrade land. We use Otreat to upgrade land until you upgrade your land. That is when your land can be reviewed to attract friends and to give your land more value. To give your land more value. This thing is still loading. It's still loading. It's still loading. You can see. Let it load more. It's still loading. You can see. It's still loading. And here, these are my Genesis, like I said before, Genesis land. And I will show you those ones that have already upgraded, that has been upgraded. I will show you. Okay, this is it. If you check here, it's still loading. If you check here, you will see something different. See on this top, you see flower farm, you see 300. On this one, you see 460 flower farm. Can you see it? On this one, you can see it has nothing, which means that nothing is being, it has not been upgraded. You can see this one is 0, this one is 1, 1. That means that is the number what I've actually got so far, upgraded so far. Also, you can see this one. I have this because I've upgraded it. I have this as well. There's nothing here. Means I've been able to upgrade like 4. I will now use this Otreat I've got to upgrade more of my land. What do? I will just pick any here and select. How do you upgrade? Now, what do you do? Just click on any land, the one you want to pick here. Let me pick here Genesis. Watch this 898. I'll pick the one I want to do. I'll now click on this. And can you see it asks me to upgrade this? I want to use I will now place Otreat on that land. I'll place Otreat on the land. It's still loading its network. Sometimes it might be slow. It's still loading. There are a lot of people on the website, that's why it appears so. I'm just showing you how you can actually place your Otreat on it. If you don't know how to do that. Alright, you can see this is a success. You can see the successful. You can place as many. You can see now it takes 7 days. If you place one Otreat on your land, it takes 7 days to be upgraded. The more Otreat you place on same land determines how fast your this thing will be, how fast it will be upgraded. But you might place different one on different land, and you might still place as many on same land. That is also, if I continue placing it using this video, it will take time. But that is how you are going to do. You do this to the same orders if you have more. Here you can see it now 1, 2, 3. No, before it was 2 here. Now I now have 3 remains out of 4. And that is just for the sake of this video. I will stop here. Just get registered. I will drop my link, this link here. You get registered and you also do the same thing. If you have any other question, I will drop my group link. Join the group link so that you can ask as many questions you want to ask, and also join my group links. And for more other updates, please kindly subscribe to this channel. If you find anything valuable here, share with your friends, and that's all about it. Thank you. Join my group link so that you also know the time for happy hour, when to claim 6 Ocash to upgrade your land and all that. It only takes 10 Ocash. You can see my own remain 7 Ocash. Once it is 10, I'll be able to get more Otreat to place on my land, to use to upgrade my land. That is it. This platform, I've been into the Twitter space. I've seen that is a great project. It's a great project. Please don't miss it. Don't miss it. That is all for today. This is the end of the video. Kindly subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Bye for now. And this is my old land. You can see that this is how beautiful they look. How beautiful they look. You can see how beautiful they look. It's a network that made it not to load very well the other time. Alright, that is the end of it. Bye for now. Thank you.